Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm sporting my reindeer ears because it is still almost Christmas. Today I'm going to be showing you my go-to winter makeup look. Now since my face has been ultra dry this month, I've switched over from my normal foundation and I'm using the Dream Fresh BB Cream by Maybelline New York in light sheer tint because we've already established I am as pale as you can get on this brand. And I'm just going to use that all over my face. I dropped it all over myself, so we're just trying to get whatever I could get off of there. I should probably zoom in. And then I'm going to use my airbrush brush to blend it all in. Next we have concealer. I'm using the Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer, and it is in Fair. Because the kitties have stolen my actual beauty blender, I'm using this one from a Halloween makeup kit. Next I'm going to do brows. Now I have been using this matte brown in the Smokes by Maybelline New York collection. I feel like I've used a lot of Maybelline this month. And now onto the actual eyes. So what I have been loving this month is the Blush Nudes collection by Maybelline New York. It's a lot of Maybelline New York in this, apparently. If only they sponsored me, they would get so much promotion out of this right now. So for the all over shadow, I'm using this gold right here. And then for the crease, I'm taking this really pretty kind of cranberry maroon color. Pink cranberry maroon. There we go. I don't know what it is. And then for my under eye, I've been using this color from Almay. It's the Intense Eye Color Shimmer Eye Kit. I'm not sure what the actual color is called. But I'm taking the smudger and I'm just going to go lightly underneath my under eye. And then for eyeliner, we're going to go back to the Blush Nudes palette, and we're going to use this dark brown right here. And I don't do it too heavy, I just want it to look a little bit smoky around where the eyeliner should be. I don't go for harsh lines. I go for kind of like blurred lines. I realized it as soon as I said it. And then taking the smudger again, I'm going to take this very light gold and just do the inside corners of my eye. So for blush, I'm using the Too Faced Sweethearts Perfect Flush Blush. Tongue twister. Gorgeous. I'm just doing the apples of my cheeks. And then just lightly up into the hairline. Yay! And then my favorite part, highlighter. I'm using the Tarte Skin Twinkle Lightening Palette. Definitely just my favorite thing of the year. And I'm using Sunlight. Sorry, I just almost dropped this. Just the tip of your nose and your Cupid's bow. Yay! And for the finishing touch, for the lips, we are doing Revlon Matte Balm lipstick in 265 Fierce. I'm in love with this color. Look how pretty that is. And ta-da! That's it. And there we go. This is my winter makeup look. As always, thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already, because that is where you will get notified whenever I post a new video. It's pretty fun and it's free. And I hope you all have a wonderful and very Merry Christmas. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! And for the final touch, there's traffic. Ugh. Makeup winter look. Why am I clicking this? I'm sorry. Wait, what? Wait, flush brush? Blush? Ooh. My god, I just spilled it all over myself. Ooh. Cat.